Alright, so minus the cat delete injectors and tune, which won't be here till probably later this week. I want to get everything done on the side-by-side so I can get it out of the way. It's taking up a lot of space with all these parts and everything. So I think the first thing that I'm going to tackle, even though it's the thing I want to do the least, I'll probably do the skid plates underneath, since that'll be the messiest, and save the fun, easy stuff like harnesses, roof, and the other little bits that I have for later. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll finish drilling out those rivets and then we'll see what we got. About an hour later, I'm on the very last rivet. Kind of using a screwdriver to put pressure on it so it doesn't spin. I think that's the last thing to get this thing off. It's kind of been a lengthy process, but I think it should come off. Did I forget one?
Seems like it's still fully mounted.
I thought we got all the rivets. Is there like one left?
No, it slides up into here, so you gotta pull it straight back there. Oh, I wonder if the camera got me getting dusted. Wow, that's floppy.
Yeah, so Tommy, I asked Can-Am kind of what they recommended, because you could do aluminum, you could do a heavier like plastic for the skid plate and stuff. And what they sent me appears to be like a thicker, I don't know if this would be ABS or something else. And at first I was like, man, I kind of want aluminum. Me and Tommy are thinking about it. I feel like the aluminum would be
so
sketchier
thick,
because it would kind of like dent and rip.
Right.
Where this is like thick with like 3 Ks. For this, like you can tell the difference just by holding it. This is the stock one.
Yeah.
And this is the
this is gonna be way better.
And this one's like already all mangled and stuff. So it kind of sucks. We need to get a rivet gun so I can put it back on. But,
well, we're getting one delivered in about 3 minutes.
Yeah. So anyway, that's done. I guess in the meantime, while I'm waiting for the rivet gun, well, what do you think I should do with the rivets underneath it, Tommy? Should I like cut them?
So you could take a punch, like a little like punch, and tap them all in.
When I can push them on my finger, they're not really that.
Oh, you can.
Do you think I should do that? Just tap them in?
Yeah, I mean, what else can you do?
There's so many. One of the things everyone told me was a must was getting a roof for this thing. So this is a black aluminum roof. I imagine it's for debris, but also for like heat and stuff. Yo, that looks cool.
Does it cool? Is it not backwards?
What?
It's backwards.
No, it's not.
You sure?
I feel like it goes like this.
I think it's backwards.
I had a couple pieces of weather stripping to install just on the roof, and then it just bolts right up pretty easily.
So Adam just made me come out here and show him how to use a rivet gun.
With all fairness, I've used rivet guns before on my 350Z, like doing the fenders, but they were not this hard.
These are thick boys.
I did riv nuts, actually.
Oh, riv nuts are completely different, but the same. Here we go. Look at him. Look at him. Oh,
jeez, dude.
Yeah, that's it.
With a bang.
I'm trying to make sure I save all these. I hope you, just so, because these will pop a tire for sure.
See, guys, he's trying to make sure. It sounded like he's looking out for my best interest, but.
Are you zooming in the Porsche?
Slowest zoom in the game. Here you go. Oh yeah. Snap. What do you think? Riv nuts are way easier. Get the fuck out of here.
Did you think I was gonna hit? Why do you think I'm trying to touch you all the time?
Dude, you smacked me in the face 3 times during live stream
Oh,
yesterday.
remember when you asked me if it was dented? Yeah, I did dent up a bunch of the stuff here.
The frame?
Yeah.
Call your insurance company. Welcome to Hunt & Co.
Dude, it is such a nice break to take from like doing all the difficult, annoying stuff and just do a nice, simple little
Over fender install. You gonna bag this thing too?
I was thinking about it. Performance, honestly, the bags are as good as coilovers now, so.
That's what I keep hearing from all the people that run bags.
Especially when you don't actually like drive your machine, it doesn't really make a big difference.
Machine.
Look at that. What I did on the other side, because I already did the other side. Oh, I gotta remember to take this one out. There's one little Allen that goes into. But other than that, all the holes are already like, just pile it in and it just screws right in. It's like literally a Lego. Like,
It's a big piece of plastic.
I know.
Machine.
One piece of plastic for my machine. I wonder if any of them come with these. Usually in like, literally in like 5 minutes we'll be done with over fenders in the front. I mean, technically they're mud flaps, but
They are like some mud fender things. Come on.
So
anyway, just Adam installing his wide body kit.
in Tommy's shop.
Did you get wider wheels and tires?
No.
So I came out here and Adam's got the whole thing disassembled.
Not yet. I'm thinking though, before I do the harnesses, Maybe I should do the speaker system while the seats are out in case I need to route wires and stuff.
True, maybe you should put some R32 GTR seats in here too.
Dude, I want to put brides in this so badly.
They'll get so gross.
I can't put these seats back in here.
It's too late.
They're too ugly.
Dude, they mount.
It's the same way that a Skyline mounts. Same exact way.
What?
Look, the seat rails. Skyline.
It doesn't look similar to a Skyline
It's
to me.
identical.
With a welder, we could get Skyline seats in this thing.
I know a guy.
Dude, this thing is fully stripped now.
I know. What is wrong? Why am I doing this? I'm getting no satisfaction in doing this, but I'm just like.
You have all these parts, so you have to put them on.
Well, and it's like a Lego, right? Or at least that's what I kept telling myself. So I'm like, oh, it'll be fun. It'll be.
Why didn't you take that seat out?
What?
Why didn't you take that seat out?
I'm working on it.
Oh. Jeez.
Process guy.
So periodically I'm coming into the shop because I'm working on my computer and I'm checking the progress of Mr. Adam LZ, and every time I come in this thing is like, well, every other time it's disassembled more. So I'll come in, he'll have something done, and then 6 things around it will be removed. He's got the whole dash disassembled, the windshield that he installed is now off, the roof is off, the seats are out, and he looks a little flustered.
It's one of those points, I don't know if you've ever got this way where like you get so frustrated and like in over your head where you just stop filming because you're just like, oh, I just want to get it done. So
Yeah, that happens to me every day, guys. That's why I
dragging
sometimes.
along is just annoying because I feel like I've like half gotten a lot of things done instead of getting everything done, and it's gonna sit for a while because I'm not gonna have time. The good news is tomorrow I'm putting the bigger AR on the Skyline. And it's gonna be even faster. So new hot side on the Skyline and retune tomorrow. Right now I'm actually putting these little speakers going to these factory panels and get mounted up kind of like this, which is kind of neat. But I figured while I have the seats out, I might as well start doing speakers, so I'm not like backtracking and doing stuff 8 times. But
Put in the comments if you needed the Skyline to be any faster. Just fuck it, just put it in there. If you needed that to make more power.
yeah.
What do you think? Do you?
I'm just sad because I realized that I did part of the instruction wrong and now I don't have the right things that I need.
Wait, what?
Ignore me.
So, this may be the last time you guys ever see the Can-Am in one piece. Well, it's not in one piece right now, so I guess it's over.
Last time you'll see a bar or at all.
Yeah, maybe you should just push this thing into the woods.
Honestly. Got some dinner plans with old Granty boy today, so I gotta dip out of here a little bit sooner than I would have liked to. Sucks because I want to finish something and I didn't get to. I have this like always unrealistic expectation of amount of stuff that I'm gonna get done, so I always leave dissatisfied, but tomorrow should be a good day. So anyway, I want to give Grant a ride in the Evo and film his reaction. So maybe we can do that. 4-cylinder.
This is usually where your race gas sits.
You're not wrong. Grant's first ride in the Evo.
Yay. So excited.
Should you say really what our discussion was like 2 seconds ago?
That I got a little frustrated / mad at Adam, and I said if he drives like a that I'm getting out of the car on the highway.
Grant just wants to pull, and then I told him if there's a road where he feels comfortable enough for me to take a corner to show you the grip of the tires.
I believe you.
If there's a safe zone that you give me the approval
If I give you the approval, it's a slight possibility.
Something
I
smells.
feel like that camera doesn't have a very good wide angle, and I feel like you're very close to my.
Something smells good in this car, and it's not my gasoline.
Probably me.
Ready for a good old.
Yep. Let me hold this thing.
It's not that loud. See, now it's not that loud. It doesn't feel that fast.
It felt fast when that car was pulling out of the road.
Yeah, no, that's the stuff I don't like.
I was like, yeah, you know what? Don't drive like an asshole. Oh, yep, there's a car pulling out of the road.
But our brakes with adequate time.
Yeah, no, that was
These
good.
brakes are really sick.
Yeah, they're great. I don't need to feel the full potential of them, but they are good.
Noted. Alright. So we've had 2 cops that decided to pull out right before we went by, and I've been this poor clutch, dead stop traffic for absolutely no reason. Just bucking and chugging and ugh. This car has never been an issue to drive, but this is actually terrible. Yeah, I don't feel good either. Nor does she. Hey Bailey, do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Are you excited to go for a ride? Yeah? Do you want the video to end? Do you? Is that what you want? Is that what you want, or do you want the toy? Video or toy? Huh? I don't get why you're being so mean. Relax. Relax. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, I promise. Are you... I give up.
And this is what happens because Adam doesn't have any friends. He tries to date my dog.
Dude, it's working. I revealed her on Instagram, my new girlfriend.
She's a good girl.
She's just in it for the toys.
Isn't that what all girls are in it for?
Is it?
I don't know.
Ask Trixie.
Put it in the comments.
Bye guys, we'll see you tomorrow.